welcome to East African Coffee House. We are a new specialty coffee shop that opened up in Columbus, Ohio. We opened the shop to showcase East African hospitality, East African flavors. You know, East African being the birthplace of coffee, we wanted to highlight, you know, our tradition, our culture, and the way we enjoy coffee, the way we enjoy tea, and showcase also our hospitality. You know, that's also a big thing. So when people come into our house, the first thing we do is we offer them coffee and tea. So we wanted this to be like coming home, everyone feeling like comfortable, like they're at home. And so that's why we decided to open up this coffee shop. We wanted to put a spotlight basically in East Africa. So we source our beans from Ethiopia. We source our beans also from Burundi. We have also a Kenyan farm that we're now in talks with. So we kind of are using the entire region of East Africa. So the reason we started this is we felt like there was a need for a space like this. We don't just sell coffee, right? So it's an experience. You come in here, we have samosas, we have Danishes and samosas, you know, East meets West, or the world meets East Africa basically. But that's what we're showcasing, and that's what East African Coffee House is all about. We just opened this coffee shop. We had our soft launch June 28th, and then we did our grand opening a month later, which was July 26th. So we've been open for about a month now, and I would say the city of Columbus, city of Gahanna has showed us a very warm welcome, a lot of support, a lot of love. You know, you can look online, our reviews are on TikTok, on Google, and everyone is being very kind to us, and they love the flavor, they love the taste, they love the atmosphere we've created, and that's what we wanted, and that's what we hoped for. So we had expectations, and I'm glad that we have met our expectations and also our customers and our supporters' expectations. So one last thing I would say is, you know, we said this is the grand opening, so everyone here is not a customer, you know. We have built this place to kind of foster a community and have everyone here be a member of this establishment. Everyone here is like more than a customer to us, you know, so everyone here is a member. So we wanted you guys to all, you know, come and enjoy East African Coffee House. Check out our flavors, our cakes. We have delicious cakes, you know. The guy holding the camera will tell you.
Yeah, he would, yeah. He ate it really fast.
Yeah, we had an awesome tiramisu, chai tiramisu cake here. We have some milk cakes, some cheesecakes. So just come out and give us a try. Awesome drinks, our lattes are amazing. And our 3 traditional drinks that we sell is shah, which is a Somalian tea flavored with our ginger, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. And then we also sell, and what we're famous for is the qahwa. So the whole world calls qahwa coffee, which is the bean. In Somalia, we drink the coffee husk, which is the shell of the coffee bean, right? So there's a bean and then there's a shell. It's like an eggshell. So we roast that shell and we spice it, and that's how we drink our coffee, and that's how we enjoy our tea. So welcome again to East African Coffee House. Do one of us if you want.
Okay.
Steaming milk. Anybody want ice? You want a hot?
You want hot drink? Hot chai.
Hot chai?
See,
Yeah,
I'm vegan, so like I will always take the oat milk, whatever you make.
Oh, the
like
oat milk.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can steam oat milk.
You get the Somali tea, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we got you. I'll make the Somali tea. I'll make oat milk, banana. You know, we love bananas.
Can't wait to have some of these drinks. We're gonna have some oat milk with mine, and my hair being a little crazy. We're gonna have some oat milk with mine. Trying not to be too loud, but I'm also not trying to be too quiet because I don't have my mic hooked up right now. But as you can see, he's back here whipping it up. You guys definitely need to come down here and check out East African Coffee House.
That was a banana latte.
Banana latte. Oh, wow.
I should have steamed this with oat milk, so.
Looks awesome.
Here you go, this is your banana latte.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it.
Super excited. This brother right here,
Oh, you got more? Oh,
He's
thank you so much.
the man.
I appreciate it.
he got us all hooked up with some amazing drinks right here.
That's it. Thank
East
you so
African
much.
Coffee House.
Thank you so much.
This is
Vento.
Vento?
Yeah.
Vento,
Vento.
got it.
Oh, that
and
was
then
the
on
one I
top
wanted
you
to
do
try.
have this dried lemon.
Yeah, it's freeze-dried lemon.
Oh man, look at that drink, man.
Yeah, they're killing it over here. I love it.
The pride of East Africa.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is our famous chai tiramisu cake.
Ooh,
ooh,
you said chai
ooh.
tiramisu?
Chai tiramisu.
What the?
Oh my
Use
goodness.
In-house spices that we make.
So it's more like a Somali style.
It's a Somali infusion. Yeah.
I love it. I
My
love
goodness, look at that.
it. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate it. Thank
Brother,
you.
thank you so much. Oh
Did you
my
see
goodness,
this?
Johannes, man, what are you trying to steal my tiramisu?
I don't know if I
cake,
can
man?
even eat it,
Come
to be
on
honest
now.
with you. Yeah.
Jeez, man. No, I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing. We can share.
Exactly. I appreciate that. You want to put the right here?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Let's put it right there.
Okay.
For everybody to see. Johannes, I'm super excited for this video, East African Coffee House. You want to taste the rare East African coffee, tea. This is your spot.
Why are you going anywhere else? Look, you can come down here. Look, I know you want to see my pretty face. I'm not going to be here every day, but you can come here though.
Oh, 100%, 100%. Johannes, thank you so much again for inviting me to this video, the tour of East African Coffee House here in Columbus, Ohio.
Yep.
I was not really aware about this hidden gem.
Yep.
And Johannes happened to really introduce it to me, and then we're here and we're about to partake some amazing, drinks and food,
Yep.
and we're gonna share that whole experience with you. So don't forget to subscribe to Johannes' channel.
Please.
He's my brother, he's my mentor. He got some cool, amazing videos. You should check him out. I do have some samosas, and take a look at these amazing packages.
The
and
package,
stuff.
show that package real fast.
Oh
I need
my
to-
goodness
This
gracious,
is great
look at that.
branding, great marketing.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks super fancy.
Yeah.
You go to Starbucks. This is the kind of treatment and kind of experience that you get.
Yep. I have a tomato olive Danish. Look at that.
That looks fancy.
With the glaze too.
Oh my goodness gracious.
And there's also vegan options here too. They have oat milk. They have that's what I love. They have vegan options, so I don't have to worry about certain things.
Very inclusive.
Yeah.
Very inclusive.
Yeah.
So, cheers, brother.
So it's going in for the Danish. Whoa. Hold on. Wow. What?
It's a very good samosa.
Actually, I say what every video, so I need to be careful about that. But still, what?
No, this is a very good samosa.
This sort of kind of tastes like it's so doughy, but not too doughy. It's a right amount of chew, and the tomatoes with the glaze, with the pastry, it sort of kind of reminds you of a little bit of a pizza, a little bit.
You get the pizza vibe, right? I love it. This one for sure. Samosa, everybody knows samosas. Does have a little bit beef in there, a little bit of onions, golden fried, as you can see it, and of course very spongy. Super tasty.
And he's an expert of sambusa. He's from Tanzania. You know what I'm saying? We're not going to show you guys the video where he beat me on the sambusa challenge. I'm gonna link that at the end of here. But nah, man, this is nice. Especially when you can come in the morning, you can get things like this. And I like that variety because a lot of places I feel like they have overly sweet things,
Right.
With overly sweet coffee and everything is a sugar rush. But I like here how they have a balance between savory and sweet.
This really takes me back home. It takes me back to Tanzania, takes me back to Kenya, takes me back to Somali, takes me back to Ethiopia. These are the kind of experiences that you get back home.
Yep.
But now, without really getting a plane ticket to any of those places, you can just come here to East African Coffee House. And of course, my brother right here will take care of you.
Hey, all day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know how Somali community do. They're gonna take care of you.
I think it's better to, chase it with the warm Somali chai.
Oh, you
It's
have
called sha.
Sha. Sha. I love Somali
Smells
sha.
amazing, man. The spices in there, can be matched.
Somali sha is one of the best teas in the world, if not the best tea.
100%.
I have the banana. Excuse me, I forget 100% what the name is, but it is I think an espresso with banana inside of it, if I'm correct.
It's a banana latte. It's more like a veggie option, or latte, without dairy.
Yeah, I have oat milk in mine. I have oat milk.
Exactly. So it does have like that flavor of the banana right there.
And you know what? We're being real Somali right now, man. You got the shah. I got the banana, because they always be like, don't forget to put banana when you eat Somali food. When you eat baston bris, don't forget. I got the banana inside of the espresso now. What's
Banana
up?
latte right there.
Exactly.
Tell me you're Somali without telling me you're Somali.
Oh, we're Somali right now.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Whoa. Wow.
Johannes, shut up and take my money. Take all my money.
Yeah, I'm gonna take
goodness
it. I'm gonna
gracious.
take it.
This is great.
This sent me on a mellow journey when I drank it. I felt like I was like flying through a galaxy, like through like nebula clouds, and like that's how I really felt. It's warm, it's inviting, it's soothing. It's got the banana taste, but it's like not overwhelming. It's savory. I'm just really trying to be a food reviewer right now, but it's amazing.
I like it. Now, we're talking about the shah, the Somali tea. You do have the cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, the creamy milk and stuff, right? And the black tea all combined together just give you this explosion of warmness in your mouth. It's not really something that can be matched. And I always say this, and I might sound like a broken record, but you go to Starbucks.
I like
and
broken
stuff.
records.
All right, there you go. And then they give you a chai latte and stuff, and like, oh yeah, this is the best thing ever. But hey, man, trust me, nothing can be matched this one right here.
I agree with you. I've been drinking shah for my whole life, so I know that's amazing, especially with almond milk or oat milk. It go crazy. But this one right here, I honestly, I could be wrong, but I never heard of any banana in any espresso or
Banana latte,
Yeah,
right,
I never heard of that. I could be wrong.
No, you're right. I mean, myself too, personally, I've never really heard of such a thing.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be totally honest with you.
Right. You can just take a little bite.
I'm gonna take a little bite. This is how much I want the brothers to succeed. I'm gonna take a little bite because this is East African coffee house.
For the team,
Yeah.
right?
This is for y'all. This is for y'all. So I hope y'all like this.
Let's give it a shot. Tiramisu in-house cake right here at East African Coffee House. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Wow.
Very like whippy and not too sweet. Like the right sweetness. At the end, you can feel the cinnamon coming like deep, like as a flavor tone. I don't know if that's a real thing or not, but I'm saying that as a flavor tone. Oh, it is. Oh, okay.
It is.
Okay.
Very creamy, spongy, very tasty. To your point too.
I would like to see if they can make a vegan one of that. That would,
Absolutely, like a vegan version would be great.
yeah.
You get the spices, the cinnamon, and there's 2 layers of, the cream. On top?
Show them in the camera real fast, because
Right there?
I don't see the layers.
And then in the middle, right here.
Yeah.
You see, like right there in the middle. And then combine now with the spices. Oh my goodness.
And I just love how that cinnamon just kicks in at the end. And the cinnamon's like,
Exactly.
hey, you forgot I was here? I'm here.
Right.
I'm
But-
here. The
but
champ is here.
The good thing about it too, it's not overpowering, right?
Yeah, it's not
so
overpowering,
even for like a person who's like, oh yeah, cinnamon, I'm not a big fan of cinnamon.
Yeah.
You just taste like a little bit of it.
Wait, hold on. Who is not a fan of cinnamon?
Oh, there's some people who don't like
If you don't like cinnamon, like, might want to go see not a chiropractor, but you might want to go see see a chiropractor so they can adjust your bones and your body and your throat, and then after that go see a shrink. You know?
Crazy, man.
This drink, I really want that one.
Come on now, you can be jealous of mine.
Because I'm more of a fan of like red colors, like reddish, like
Well, not
maroon
today.
colors.
Not
Not today.
Yeah, not today.
You know
Yeah.
what? Go ahead and drink your drink, man.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers, yo.
It looks very colorful.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I think this is the mojito one,
Right.
and yours is the
Vimto.
Vimto.
Right.
I hope we're saying it right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Vinto, actually, it's a very famous drink out there in Africa. You know, I grew up drinking Vinto too. Yeah, it's like on the bottom, so it's more like it's more like
A pop?
a pop, right?
Oh, okay.
Just like, you know, it kind of tastes like, you know, what you call it, you know, like a Fanta, like
Oh, yeah.
black currant, you know, like
Yep.
the grape kind of,
Yep.
the grape
Grape
Fanta.
drink, said that.
Right.
Grape Fanta, yeah.
Yeah.
Grape Fanta.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
I like it.
Yeah, this is an interesting
So
one.
actually, it is interesting in the sense all the sweetness is on the bottom. So as you can see it right there, all the sweetness is on the bottom. And I like the fact that I do have this little dried lemon right there.
Yeah, I do like the dry lemon. That's,
Yeah.
that's a very like nice luxury touch,
Exactly.
you know,
Right.
very tropical touch, you know.
Well, if you want to get that experience, then you have to come here at East African Coffee House. They do have everything for everybody. You don't like sweet drinks and stuff, they got them. You want like a refresher, they do have them.
Yep.
You want a little bit of samosa, you know, Danish, you know, you want a cake,
Yep.
they got them.
Yep. And until next time, look, man, we got to finish this. This is too good. You guys know him already. And yeah, subscribe as always to his channel too. Peace.
So catch me if I fall.